Risks of working at heights. There are several factors that can lead to incidents and injuries when working at heights. Workers can easily fall and be fatally injured if they're not wearing adequate personal protective equipment. If workers are not trained in using their safety harness and lifeline, there is also a risk of injury or death. If equipment is not maintained, there is a risk of it being defective and breaking, which can lead to a fall. If work surfaces are fragile, such as an asbestos sheet roof, and if openings are not barricaded off, there is a risk of people falling through. If scaffolding is not inspected before use, there is a risk of it being defective and collapsing. Using an unstable working platform also increases the risk of falling. Items such as tools, equipment or materials falling from heights onto people are just as dangerous as falls. A number of factors can lead to incidents and injuries from falling objects. If work surfaces are cluttered and material is not secured, there is a risk of it being blown off by the wind or kicked off walkway edges. When an exclusion zone is not established under a work area to prevent a person from walking into the unsafe zone, and there is no edge protection such as toe boards or kicker plates, there is a real risk of injury by falling objects, especially when workers are not wearing hard hats in high-risk areas. External factors. Some of the most important external factors when working at heights are wind, which can blow off materials and even workers; heat stress, dehydration, dizziness, and even fainting, which can be the cause of falls, as well as building movement and dust and blowing sand.